Welcome to the Epoint Post tutorials. Today, I am going to share how our net amount discount function works. How to get here. You may refer back my previous tutorial. Let's get started. Method 1. Key in the amount. Hit the Manager function button. Hit the function button. Now back to item page. Select the item. It is done. Method 2. Key in the amount. Hit the Manager function button. Hit the function button. Select the item. Hit the special function. It is done. End of day at X and Z report is captured under the Discount Details section. Enjoy learning. That's all for now. Be sure to check out with others tutorials. Remember to like, share and following us in Facebook. Thanks for watching.